Did you guys know that all citrus came from 4 original citruses? The original 4 citrus make all the other citrus. We'll start with the original 4 grandparents, great-great-great-great-grandparents of citrus, and then we'll look at some of the other ones we have here growing on the ranch. The biggest, the granddaddy of them all is the pomelo. This is a large pomelo that we have here growing on the farm, and this is a pink one. We also have white ones. You can see how beautiful it is inside. It's like a grapefruit with none of the acidity. It makes excellent eating. The fiber between the sections is too hard to eat. When you open it up, you do want to pull out just the flesh and eat it. It's one of my favorite fruits. Whatever fruit is in season is one of my favorite fruits. There's something about eating in season fruit that your body knows that it's right and knows that it needs it. I'll just crave in season fruit. When pomegranates are in season, I'm like, ah. And then there's the Kaffir Lime. This is a very tiny Kaffir Lime that we have here. This is what we most use this citrus for. Thai food and the tom yum and the tom kha soups and in a lot of curries. This one is a very, very pungent smell. It looks very different than other limes. It's quite a beautiful, and I wish you guys could smell the differences in the smells of all these citrus. Sometimes we think about a lime as a lime or an orange as an orange or whatever, but that's not really true. This is a citron, the old ancient lemon. It has a lot of seeds in it. That's what it's known for. This one actually doesn't have so many seeds in it, and it's very sour, but it is a different smell than a traditional lemon. It's wrinkly on the outside and the zest is really great. You can use it like a lemon. You can use it for sauces. It's very common to be in ponzu sauce. It's an excellent culinary citrus. And then they say mandarin, but there's so many mandarins, I'm not sure what the original mandarin. We have a lot of mandarins growing on the property. This is a loose-skinned one, and I do know that the original was a loose-skinned one. This right here represents the original 4 citrus. Now that we've learned about the 4 original citrus, let's look at some other stuff that we grow here on the farm. I am a huge proponent of the lemon lime family. My favorite in the lemon lime area is this one. This is the Meyer Lemon. I can't stress how sweet it is, how delicious it smells. The skin is thicker, it has more sugar in it, so it doesn't store as well. It's a chef's favorite, but it is not necessarily a grocery store favorite. And then this is your traditional Eureka Lemon. It has very little seeds and it's very hardy. It will last for months in your refrigerator. We know why it's good, because it's best for the grocery stores. It's best for storage. We use tons of Eureka Lemons in the restaurants. We grow tons of Eureka Lemons. I'm grateful for them, but it's not my favorite lemon. If I had to choose between lemons and limes, I'm a lime girl, not a lemon girl. And I'm married to someone who doesn't speak that much English, and it's very confusing because in Spanish, lima is lemon and limon is lime. So this is very confusing in our household. I love green limes. They're so delicious. This is a bear lime. This is the traditional, your margarita lime. And then this is the Mexican lime, or the key lime, which is also very, very, very delicious here. This is a Navel Orange, and my kids always go, Mom, does it have a belly button? And I'm said, yep, that's how you know it's a Navel belly button orange. And we all know this is a favorite peeling orange for kids at school, snacks. It peels easily and there's no seeds in it, has a thick skin, and it's a very, very common orange. We have a lot of other different kinds of oranges planted. They're not producing yet. We're gonna have 3 or 4 different kinds of blood oranges, the Cara orange. We have a lot of different other kinds of oranges. This is a Valencia orange. This is your common juice orange. It is not ripe yet, but we're gonna cut it open so you can see. Has some seeds, limited seeds, and this is the perfect size for juicing. It's grown all over this valley, and it is one of the most common lemons. This is a grapefruit. There's so many kinds of grapefruits growing here on the ranch. This is an OroBlanco. We also have pink grapefruits and Kind grapefruits. Here is a Pixie. It's another kind of mandarin, and as well as the Pixies, we also have the golden nugget and the sumo one. I don't know what it's called. Here is a little bit of a sampling of what's available here in citrus season at the farm. They all look very beautiful. I invite you to try other citrus. I know that the Eureka Lemon, the Bear Lime, and these oranges, and the Ruby Red Grapefruit, but reach out, expand out, try Kenny Grapefruit, try a Pomelo, try something different, because citrus is just like anything else in life. Variety makes it more interesting.